Do you want to make money chatting online? Then stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money easily by chatting online. So there's a site called FlirtBucks. So just as a disclaimer, if you're a woman and 18 years or older, you can use this site to make money. If you're a guy, sorry. So what is FlirtBucks? FlirtBucks is a platform that connects women online with men who are looking to chat and just have a conversation when they're lonely. This is not a cam website. You don't have to have any nudity. There's nothing like that on this site. All you have to do is apply and you can start chatting with people. So if you have a really talkative personality, you like to brighten people's day, and you have a lot to talk about, then this is the perfect site for you. So I'm here on the homepage, FlirtBucks.net. I'm looking at some of the descriptions. So essentially, you can set your own hours, work from the comfort of your own home, get paid by check or PayPal, and there's no upfront fees or investment required, which is super awesome. So here it says you have to be at least 18 years of age or older, you have to have a webcam, you have to have a high-speed internet connection, and those are the only tools you need. So it's really easy to get started. And then you can work the hours you choose. So if you want to apply, you click this application button, and you would fill out this information. So as long as you have your valid ID and the internet connection and the webcam, you can apply. And then you put in your first name, last name, password, birthday, email address, and then your actual address, your mailing address, and then your payment method. And then once you read the terms of use, you can submit. Then once you're approved, you can start chatting online and you can start making money. This is a great way to make money online if you're just looking for an easy way you can do it from home. So you might be wondering, how much do you get paid to chat online? So you get paid on a minute-to-minute basis. So every minute you make 10 cents. And then for the first 3 months, you're going to be making 10 cents if you're doing text chat, and if you're doing video chat, you'll make 40 cents a minute. So that's going to be $6 an hour for text, and then video chat's going to be $24 an hour, which is pretty good. Pay periods are 2 weeks in length, and if you go on vacation, you can take some time out and you can go online and you can make some more money. Especially when you're stuck inside during like a quarantine or like on a break or something, this is a great way to make some extra cash. As you work here longer, 3 to 6 months, you start making 12 cents per minute on text and 45 cents per minute on video, and then it goes all the way up to 15 cents per minute on text and 50 cents per minute on video, which is a lot. So if you were making 50 cents per minute, that's $30 an hour, which is a really good amount of money to be making just typing to people and meeting people online. You don't have to do anything out of your comfort zone, and you don't have to talk to anybody you're not comfortable with, and you can always leave and you can always reach out to support. This isn't a paid-to-date program or an adult cam performer program, and you are expected to be yourself, talk about things you're interested in, and have genuine conversation with people. So ladies, if you're interested in making some money online easily, then I suggest you go to FlirtBucks.net and you apply today. I'll put the link in my description and above. I'll be making more videos like this to show you how you can make money online chatting with people. If you like this video, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. If you want to hear more content like this, then hit that subscribe button, and I'll have more content to you on a daily basis for how you can make money online and be a better business owner. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out.